Oh, an update? Not today.
Hey! Hey! Don't do that! Update your phone! You should really update your phone.
Yeah, not today.
Okay. Don't say I didn't warn you.
Was that a threat?
No, I'm just saying, like, if you don't update your phone, like, something really bad could happen. Like, really bad.
Whatever, man. Don't guilt trip me into updating my phone.
Oh, okay.
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 What? Get out of here, man.
Okay.
Hello? 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 Can you hear me? What the heck is going on?
Hey, remember me?
What? What do you want?
I want you to update your phone.
I have all your
No,
money,
not gonna happen.
bank accounts,
Okay.
passwords, credit cards. This is important.
You know what?
Okay.
Hey,
Whatever. Leave me alone.
Why are you not listening to me?
Ugh.
Hey!
What are you doing in my car?
I just want you to update your phone. I just want you to update
Get
your
out
phone.
of my car!
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, get out! What the heck?
Hello, Findlay family. Updating hardware and software in our day and age is very important. Outdated software can be one of the biggest risks for cybersecurity. That's why it's crucial to stay on top of updates, not just for your computer, but for all devices and apps and systems that we use today. Software updates don't just bring new features, they also include critical security patches that protect your devices from the latest threats. Hackers often target weaknesses in outdated systems, and updates help close those backdoors along with strengthening your defenses. In addition, updates can fix bugs and glitches that actually slow down performance or even cause crashes, helping your devices run even smoother. Here at work, you don't have to worry about those updates as much because a lot of these systems are moderated by us and these updates get pushed out through specific schedules. Best thing you can do is keep your work devices up to date by accepting updates when prompted. Our team will never send out of the blue requests, so if you see anything suspicious, please report it. That includes emails telling you that your software is out of date and requesting you to download from sketchy links, but that being said, in your personal lives, keeping your software up to date is all up to you. Always pay attention to those notifications that come through. Take the time to install them as soon as you can. To make this even easier and stress-free, enable automatic updates. This can be done on a lot of apps and devices. Then these updates will take place during off hours or even while you're sleeping. And it's October, so you know what that means. It's Cybersecurity Month. So stay tuned for highlighting more of CISA's cybersecurity and infrastructure security agencies for essential practices to stay safe online. See you soon, Findlay family.
Findlay IT team, the heroes in command. They gather in the server room, a symphony of clicks. Resolving glitches, they work their magic tricks. From coding to troubleshooting, they do it all with flair. With super smart minds, no challenge they can't bear. Oh, the IT wizards, so